Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got a little unboxing and some cats obviously. This was sent to me for free to review in PR. The company is Good Molecules. They reached out to me end of August, beginning of September, and said they wanted to send me some bits. So I had a little look and it looked really good, so I thought I would give it a go. There's no obligation for me to do anything, so I do like when brands don't feel like the need to push you to review things. It was just, if you like it, let us know what you think. And I can't undo it. Where's my scissors? Can't find any scissors. So yeah, I'm excited to have a look. I've got no idea what is in here. We shall find out together. I'm loving the packaging. Excuse the state of me, it's like 7 at night and I've been busy. So, see a difference in your skin. After 10 years of working in beauty, there's a funny thing I noticed about skincare. Regardless of how much you spend, results are usually the same. I didn't notice a difference in my skin. The truth is most brands spend more on the jar than they do on the formula, and we wonder why the products don't work. That's the reason we started Good Molecules, to create products that make a difference to your skin. Products filled with ingredients backed by science at a price you can feel good about too. We publish a nothing to hide ingredient list on the side of each box so you know exactly how much of each we use. I'm excited for you to try Good Molecules and see a difference in your skin, and tag us when you do. So, and it's cruelty free, never tested on animals. So let's see what we've got. Ooh, look. So there's a little bit that says Ulta, now available at Ulta. Obviously we don't have Ulta over here. But let's see what goodies we have. So we've got, that is heavy, a Niacinamide Brightening Toner. And I will use these now, and I will then do like a full review video. This is just the unboxing. I'll do a full review video. I'm going to give it like 4 weeks to see how my skin reacts to it and what we think. So just as dispense onto a cotton pad and gently sweep over the skin. Can also be used dispensed onto the palms and patted onto the skin. Suitable for daily use. Use morning and night. Let's have a look at the packaging. This is $14. I'll put the conversion on the screen. Oh, it's a glass bottle, which I like. Formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutin and licorice root extract to brighten and improve the appearance of large pores. Why my camera's just pooping its pants. There you go. It's a really nice bottle. And then we've got hyaluronic acid serum. Everyone who has watched this channel for more than 2 minutes knows that I love hyaluronic acid. Apply a few drops in the morning and at night before oils and moisturisers. Let absorb for 30 seconds. That's like a pink packaging. Oh, and it's in a dropper. I love a dropper. Get out of... This is $6. That's like cheaper than the ordinary. I love all the packaging as well. We've got a silicone-free priming moisturiser. Gently massage onto cleansed skin. When using sunscreen, let the priming moisturiser absorb fully. This is, I don't know how much this one is. I have to put the price on the screen. There's like some prices on this little thing here. That one is not on there. This one doesn't want to come out of its cardboard box. Come on. That's really cute packaging as well. And that's got a little pump lump. And it has like they said, the no hiding ingredients. You can see literally on the side every single thing that's in it. So we've got 77% water, propanediol, 5%, neopentyl glycol dye. I'm not even going to try that one. 3%. Shea butter 3%. And it just goes on down the list. And then we've got a Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel, and this is $6. A little metal container. What does that say? Apply a small amount under the eyes on the orbital bone and massage outwards. Gently pat in excess until gel cream is fully absorbed. Can be used underneath a makeup. And that is everything we've got in here, I think. And we've got some just packaging. I will add these into my skincare routine. We'll see how they go. I'll leave all the links down below. I don't have any discount codes or anything. I'll contact the brand now that I've got the box and say, do you have any discount codes? But yeah, there's no, they haven't given me one at the moment, so I will try and get one for you. We shall see. Yeah, let's see how it goes. This is my skin now. It's the, what is it today, the 17th of October. It is night time, but I've got no makeup on today other than mascara. I've got redness on my cheeks just because I'm always bloody pink. I've got wrinkles because I'm old. Yeah, this is me now. So I'll see you in a few weeks when we've tried all this out.